time to call our two kitchen gladiators into the drop zone.
Megha, have you ever made a short crust using a tawa before?
No, I've never.
So you didn't have an oven, it was extremely hot, and you still managed a short crust using bajra. It was a great deal.
Chitwan, that poaching liquid that was left in the pan, it could have been my breakfast, lunch, dinner, midnight snack. It could have been my 24-hour meal. That stock was beautiful.
When I tasted that rice that you had made, I went straight to food heaven. And it was a really enjoyable dish. Thank you so much.
It sounded like they both had a fair chance, an equal chance.
Your dishes have been tasted, and it's now time to reveal the truth.
It's time for me to go and be back real quick.
And I got very scared as to why he left. He said, I'll be back in a minute. We weren't really sure what's going to happen. But then we saw him walking with a plate, a white dish, with a cloche on it.
At that time, my heart was like pounding because I didn't know what to expect. Although I was very positive, you never know what could happen.
What I have for you is a masterpiece, which is not mine, it is yours. A dish that's going to be a food memory for all of us forever. A dish that I was so proud and so happy to make. This is my tribute to your pumpkin risotto.
What he did for me was something that touched me. There is no greater honor for a budding chef than for a senior chef to pay a tribute to a creation of mine.
And I want you to taste it.
I have no words. All I could do was taste it and enjoy it. I really enjoyed that risotto. I loved it. That's wonderful, chef.
You're wonderful.
At that moment, it sort of started to hit me that, something's wrong. And I was actually in a very negative space because I am very close to Chitwan. And I didn't want to lose a friend in her.
Chitwan, the pumpkin risotto stays on. Unfortunately, you don't.
Yes, chef. When the results were announced and when I was eliminated, I was not shocked. I think I knew somewhere and I had prepared myself for it somewhat. Because I saw that, even though Megha's dish was not as complicated as mine, it was complete. And mine was overcooked chicken. So I kind of knew.
It was sad to see Chitwan go after coming so far. But again, this is a competition, so somebody had to go.
We are not done with you yet. I also want to extend an open invitation to come work in any of my restaurant kitchens as and when you feel like.
I would be Kami 1 or 2 or 3, whatever you want. I cut onions all day, I swear. I would love to do that. Him offering me a job sort of reinforced my confidence in myself.
What do they say in Punjabi? Jigra nahi chhadna.
Nahi, bilkul nahi chhadna. That was for me my high point in this journey of Femme Foodies.
I was actually moved to tears because apart from the fact that she is a very good friend, she was the first person I had interacted with actually when we all came together.
She's this bubbly person full of life.
I was just holding my tears back and it was unreal at that moment. because she's almost like a mentor. She teaches me so much. She's almost like an elder sister to me here. I honestly I'm just getting goosebumps talking about it even now.
Thank you, Chitwan. Fem Foodies will miss you.
Even though I would have loved to stay in 2 week 6 and win that truck, I think that I have definitely achieved what I came to Fem Foodies to achieve. Because this competition was like a mirror to me, and there's no bigger help that a human being can get in their lives. And I'm glad for that opportunity here at Fem Foodies.
Megha, when I think of you, I think of two words, guts and glory.
I think of 3.
I heard
Guts, glory, and Gujarat.
Gujarat.
Who would have thought the Megha that got burnt right at the first task would come back and come back like how? Food karma is very strong. Always believe in food.
Akanksha, Ipsita, Megha, Juhi, Tanisha. You are the top 5. And you have something really exciting coming your way soon. Keep your fingers crossed.
Well, the kitchen fire does not lie, and neither do we. And we are telling you that now Fem Foodies is on a roll. And every task is going to get you to the edge of your seat. Yes, for now, good night. And tomorrow when you wake up, do visit a food truck, enjoy a meal, and let us know how that went. Good night. Take care.